Well, it's hard to believe that we're 2 years since we opened Pontio, and we're about to embark on our January-April 2018 programme of events. We've got a jam-packed programme for you, and we start with a brand new production by Pirates of the Caribbean Circus Theatre Company, with Room, Relentlessly Unstoppable Human Machine, which opens here in Pontio before it goes to the Roundhouse in London. We've got orchestral concerts by BBC Now, Liverpool Philharmonic and WNO Orchestra. And we relaunch our comedy club, moving it from Tuesday to Thursday night. Dr. John Cooper Clarke makes a special appearance, and we have plenty of popular music from Crease to Colorama to Gareth Bonello. We look forward to bringing Bryn Terfel here for the first time. I'm afraid all those tickets have sold out. We've got plenty of films and live screenings. I'm sure there's something for everyone next season. We look forward to seeing you all in the new year.